Welcome to the Dusk IOP Reimagined Field Service Management Integration to HubSpot. In this video, we're going to show you some new features that we've built to help our customers learn more about the Dusk IOP within HubSpot. The Dusk IOP Reimagined FSM integration is available in the HubSpot app marketplace. In an earlier video, we've covered how HubSpot can be connected to the Dusk IOP. Once it's connected, there are a number of settings that you can go through, tick boxes, etc., and areas to set up so to speak. It's preferential for your instance. Once that's all connected up, what we're going to do is create a deal. So from here, we go to Create Deal. And we'll just call this one Jane Doe Demo Deal. So for the moment, we'll leave this as appointment scheduled. We'll go through here, we'll assign a contact of Jane Doe. And then we'll just give Jane Doe the company of Dusk Mobile as well, just while we're in here. And we'll create that. So within the deal, we've got a card here that says Dusk IOP. At the moment, it says no associated job found, move deal stage to create job in IOP. So basically what we're going to do here is we're just going to change this. So we can do it either from the Kanban view or we can do it from within here. So on this one here, we'll just go in and we're just going to move that to closed one. Because on here, we've actually set it as closed one to create work in the Dusk IOP. So we've now got that as closed one. At the moment, we've still got it as no associated job found. So we'll just jump over to the Dusk IOP. And within this, we can now see that by doing a quick refresh, that we've got a Jane Doe deal in here. We've got the Jane Doe demo deal. So by clicking on this deal, we can have a look at the properties. So this is the time that it's come down from HubSpot. So basically in here, what we can do is add some more information. So we can add an assignee. Let's say we add Adam and we also add Alan in here as well. And we then move it over to scheduled. And we can just press save here. When we go back into HubSpot, and we go to the Jane Demo Deal, once we've refreshed this, we can actually see some updates coming back into HubSpot. So you're able to inform the customer of what's happening. So Jane Demo here, by clicking View More, we can see that Adam and Alan have been assigned, and it's at 9:55. Now let's say we need to go in here and we need to make some updates. Because after all, the customer might change the preference. So we just click this icon here. We'll leave it at the same time, but what we might do is just move the time to, let's say, 11:55 a.m. on the 23rd. And then in here, we'll just push this one out to 12:55 p.m. And then we just click Update. Okay, so in there we can see the time has been updated in there as well. And once we move back over to here, we can refresh this job as well and look out for the updated date and time coming in here as well. So now we've got 11:55 and 12:55 shown as the updated time. And what we can do now is, as we move through the different stages here, we can choose different statuses. And what we'll gradually see as we refresh this one as well is the updates coming back into HubSpot. So now we've got it's in a non-editable stage because we can't do anything with it.